Hey y'all, today we're gonna make a family favorite. It is called pulled ham sandwiches and my family loves these. So let me show you how. This is about a 6-pound ham. It's the butt portion, so you can use a butt or a shank. You're gonna cook it in a crock pot on low for about 8 to 10 hours. This ham has been cooking on low for right at about 8 hours. Look how tender it is, just falling apart. So I'm just gonna shut this off and let it cool down. All right, so once the ham is good and cooled, now what you're gonna do is start picking out all the ham, and I'm gonna put it into a bowl over here, just like this. Now just set this aside because I am gonna use a little bit of this juice off of the ham. And then usually what I do is I just take a pair of kitchen scissors and I just start cutting the ham up into little pieces, just kind of shredding it up, just like that. You can do this with your hands if you want, but I have found that this is much easier. So, all right, that's what it's gonna look like. Just chopped up really fine, just like that, okay? There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I make a yummy white sauce that goes over the ham. We're gonna start with 1 stick of butter, add some salt and pepper. Let's do about a teaspoon of pepper, about a teaspoon of salt. Gonna do a little parsley flakes. Let's do a good tablespoon of parsley flakes. Tony Chacheres, I love this stuff. Probably about the same. Good tablespoon of Tony Chacheres. Get that going. 2 heaping teaspoons of roasted garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that's great too. Add some flour. We're gonna do about a 1/4 cup of flour. And all we're doing is just making us a roux that's gonna make this creamy, delicious sauce. So just cook your flour down for just a little bit here. Get all the lumps out. We're gonna add our leftover juice from our ham, which is right about 2 cups. 2 cups of that. And now we're gonna do 2 cups of heavy cream. Give this a stir until it is nice and thick and creamy. Once your sauce starts to thicken up, it doesn't have to be like gravy thick. It can just be like the back of your spoon thick, like that. Yeah, that's good. Once it gets to about that thickness, then you're gonna start adding your other things, which are gonna be 1½ cups of mayo, 1½ cups of mayo, and 1½ cups of sour cream. So I have those together right here. So 1½ cups, 3 cups altogether. 1½ cups of mayo and 1½ cups of sour cream. Now you're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, stone ground mustard, hot spicy mustard, whatever you wanna use. So we're gonna do about a 1/4 cup of that. Some creamy style horseradish, and we're gonna do about 2 heaping teaspoons of that, just creamy style or raw if you'd like. So 2 huge teaspoons of that. All right. That looks good. Let me clean this mess up. I used to serve these at our restaurant in Oklahoma as a special sometimes. We would have these as a special, and my kids love this. This is one of their favorite meals that I make. So you're gonna go ahead and put your ham right back into your crock pot. Now we're just gonna put our sauce right on top. Get all of your ham covered with that delicious sauce. So good. You can serve this on anything. I like to get the little rolls, the little soft rolls. I don't have any today because I just decided to make this yesterday and I haven't been to the store yet. But it's really good on the little soft rolls. Hawaiian rolls, you can do it on those. So a great party pleaser. Now this sauce will get thick the longer that it sets, so it won't be as runny, but it's great to take to a party. Just leave it on warm, set your buns beside it. I'm just gonna use a piece of bread that I had to give it a taste. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So good. This is a real crowd pleaser. You guys take this to the party, you will be a rock star. This does make a lot. This is about a 6-pound ham. So just know that that's how much it makes. It's gonna serve quite a few people. So you can freeze half of it if you'd like. if you want it just for supper, but it's a great party idea. Oh dang, that's good. Y'all remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.